So this is probably gonna be the last video I take. And it's not gonna be on Tig. Tig's actually doing really well. He's staying right there. He's not doing anything wrong. I'm honestly hoping I don't sit down and get dizzy. Because when my blood pressure's up, and I can tell my blood pressure's up because I'm mad. Sometimes I get dizzy. And we're just kind of seeing what all I got. I might go in the baby clothes section and see if I can find Wally anything or because I think she look cute in some baby clothes. But I ran into one of my teachers in this last video.
Well, I don't know, but now I know that
it's when I called and Linda to unlock the door because she forgot what it was.
And I do walk a lot faster than what Tig walks. Tig is actually able to kind of try to keep up with me. So it's kind of cute. And he just looked up at me. Come. They got some cute little shoes I could put on him. Those cute little socks. Oh, that's not bad. If I can find any of his size. He needs like a 1 or a 0 in baby shoes. Or taller shoes. So I mean, it's kind of hard to find him shoes. And we're currently in the baby section. I don't know why. We just are. That's cute. I might get Tig a costume for Halloween. So if y'all got any ideas, please let me know. I'd be really interested to see what y'all had. How did y'all think Tig would look cute in? Tig. No, please don't. It's working. I feel bad for doing that to the kid, but I mean, Tig is working. People want to understand that he is working, that he is a service dog. And I mean, a lot of people don't like to be told no, but sometimes you gotta tell people no. And it's hard to do. Follow. But there you go.
Oh no! No!
Come. This way. Good boy. Oh yeah, I know what I was going to see. Come.
No.
Sorry, honey, he's working. $0.23. Is that much? Shoot, I can make a leash wrap out of that. I'm thinking about going to get to my wallet and getting home some of this. You know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my wallet. Now, Tig is trying to walk on both sides, so sometimes he does get a little bit confused on which side I want him walking on.
Oh, dear.
So, yeah. I mean, it is kind of confusing, but we're going to go out and get my wallet, so I'm going to shut this off, and then I will go and get that and make a leash wrap out of it. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye.